Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making glitch camera effect for the main camera or any other cameras in the Unity. Okay, first we should take a look at this plugin which has been released by Kjero almost 8 years ago, 7 years ago, and it is called KinoGlitch. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. Thanks to Kjero for making this beautiful package. And now after we download the zip file of the projects, just drag and drop the assets folder into your project folder, exactly like I've done. KinoGlitch is here, and in the test scene we have this guy, a simple camera, main camera, that has a simple camera but jitter, motion, analog glitch and digital glitch. If you can take a look at this, with playing with these variables, we can simulate these effects. It is digital glitch, analog glitch, and this guy is for this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it is for making the noise by the position. But Kjero made an animator and attached animation to change these parameters in a animation clip. Look at this. Let's play the scene, play the animation. Between these frames, he played with these parameters, so we can use the same technique for making these changes. It is really helpful. Even, you know, if you want to use only this digital glitch, you can play this with this intensity variable. And for this guy, for analog glitch, you can play with this scanline jitter and color drift. So it's up to you to change any parameter you want. You don't. It's not mandatory to change all parameters or all effects at the same time. It is just a demo file of a Kjero package. Okay. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time.